Hi, I'm Frederick, the founder of IFAA Legal Services, which is a legal research and investigation agency that focuses primarily on the numerous women and men wrongfully convicted, currently incarcerated in a state prison anywhere in the country. I'm also the author of this book, After Conviction, What You Can Do Before a Lawyer is Appointed. This book is specially designed to help those wrongly convicted help themselves, and in the process become a more informed client, better prepared to help the lawyer help them. Today, I'd like to talk to you about what is a wrongful conviction, how do you recognize a wrongful conviction, and can they be addressed? First off, a wrongful conviction and/or sentence occurs anytime a procedural guidelines or established laws have been overlooked or not followed. In order for a defendant to receive a fair and impartial trial, certain procedural guidelines must be followed. Second, in the criminal justice system, there's no such thing as a perfect trial, sentence agreement, or sentence being plea agreement, or sentence being imposed. They're all subject to challenge. And thirdly, any time a procedural law or guideline has been ignored or went past, they can be addressed and corrected. You've probably heard of people being released from prison 10, 15, 20, even 30 years after the sentence been imposed. This is because they never gave up. Either they had a lawyer appointed, or Innocence Project took over their case, or some student law program at a university began to help them. The main thing is they continue to fight their case to prove their innocence. This is important because recently, in the United States Supreme Court, in an opinion delivered by Justice Thomas, he said that whatever claims are raised or not, or misrepresented or inadequately raised post-convictionally is all the responsibility of the prisoner. This is important because in many states, the right to raise certain issues, such as ineffective assistance of trial counsel, are not allowable on direct appeal, and they must be raised post-convictionally. So the prisoner has to get the information, follow the civil rules and procedures, try to get everything he can in order for him to properly present his case in the court, and possibly to request a counsel after he's been convicted and filed his post-conviction petition. This all brings me back to the importance of this book. With this book, the wrongly convicted person is given guidelines as to how he can get the facts of his case and organize in a sequential manner. That means to put forth facts, things that he can prove, not just things he heard. You have to have documentary or either witness testimony in order to prove your claim in the court. This book also shows him how to do his own legal research, how to go into the law books, how to find case law and which case law applies, because all don't, how to read the statutes, how to get the necessary documents needed to support his claim, how to even request appointment of counsel post-convictionally. And there's much, much more in this book that would probably be a benefit to your incarcerated loved one. Matter of fact, you can get this book and take it to a public library or a university library that contains your particular state's civil and criminal procedure and follow the steps in the book yourself, and you see the value of it. So if you know of anyone who is wrongfully convicted, currently incarcerated in a state prison anywhere in the country, and you believe that this book can be of some benefit to them, order them a copy today, and order one for yourself too. For short of God's intervention, knowledge is our best defense against injustice.